All right, today I have a Chevrolet Bolt, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hazard lights, hazard flashers, warning lights, flashers, warning hazards, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to show you how to turn them on and off inside of this Chevrolet Bolt. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the Chevrolet Bolt. In order to turn on and off the hazard lights, what I'm going to do is, first I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of the vehicle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look towards the center of the vehicle. And you'll see this button right here. Do you see this button right here? This is the button for the hazard lights, hazard flashers in this Chevrolet Bolt. Now, in order to turn them on, engage them, I'm going to press this button. And when I press this button, you'll see on the instrument panel that both the left and the right turn signals are on, and that is indicative of the hazard lights, hazard flashers being on. Now you're all set with that. Now when it comes time for you to turn them off, what you'll do is you'll look back towards the center of the vehicle and you'll see this button right here. I'm going to press it again. It's a triangle within a triangle. I'm going to press it and it stops flashing right there, and it stops flashing on the instrument panel just like that. And that's how you turn on and off the hazard warning flashers lights on this Chevrolet Bolt. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.